Ahoy sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Are you dreading the hassle of carrying cash and fumbling for your wallet when stepping off the ship? Then say hello to the game-changing MedallionPay payment system, where you can easily shop, play, eat, drink, and even receive onboard credit for all shoreside purchases. So come aboard with us in today's episode as we uncover the ultimate MedallionPay guide and learn how to experience frictionless payments on your next adventure on the high seas. If you're a frequent sailor with Princess Cruise Line, you may have already heard about their incredible contactless payment system, MedallionPay. But did you know that MedallionPay is now available at 29 ports of call? That's right, but let's back up a bit and talk about the history of MedallionPay. The MedallionPay journey began in late 2017 when Princess introduced contactless payment for all onboard purchases on their Medallion-class ships. Fast forward to February 2022, and Princess expanded the safety and convenience of contactless payment into shoreside transactions and ports of call, allowing guests to leave their cash and cards in their stateroom safes and use their medallions to shop and indulge in retail therapy with added security in stores. So, what exactly is MedallionPay Shoreside? This payment experience lets you use your Princess Medallion to shop, play, eat, and drink at over 65 shoreside merchants in the Caribbean, Mexican Riviera, and all Alaska ports of call. To set up your MedallionPay Shoreside account, simply add one or more payment methods in the MedallionPay Shoreside account section of the Princess Medallion class mobile app or website when preparing to check in for your cruise. Now, how does MedallionPay actually work? It's easy. Simply use your complimentary Medallion wearable to make secure, contactless purchases in shops, attractions, restaurants, bars, souvenir stores, jewelers, museums, excursion tour operators, and many more. In select ports of call, look for participating locations displaying MedallionPay accepted here signs. Then, when purchasing at one of these merchants, your Medallion wearable will automatically verify your identity, and the transaction can be confirmed just like on board. One of the best things about MedallionPay is its security. No credit card or personal information is stored on the Medallion device, and Princess states their MedallionPay ecosystem exceeds the security levels used in financial institutions and passports by using the latest tokenization, abstraction, and encryption methods. This means you can enjoy your vacation without worrying about your financial information being compromised while discovering new parts of the world. MedallionPay Shoreside is available in the Southern, Eastern, and Western Caribbean, including the Mexican Riviera and Alaska. And here's some behind-the-scenes information. MedallionPay is available to all retailers with no setup or monthly registration fees. Merchants pay Princess a transaction fee that includes all credit card processing fees and can cancel this service anytime. A few popular merchants accepting MedallionPay include Diamonds International, Caraloha, and Effie. Now that you know everything there is to know about Princess Cruise Line's MedallionPay payment system, you'll never have to fumble with your wallet, cash, or cards at a port of call again. So pack your bags, grab your Medallion wearable, and set sail on your next adventure with the peace of mind and the convenience of MedallionPay Shoreside.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.